If you think you or a person close to you has been the victim of a medical malpractice, you should seek advice. We understand that the legal process could last 2, 3, and sometimes more years. And we understand that it's trying on them. Their lives have been affected. And we are their spokesperson and representative to try to resolve that problem. And so we're there for them throughout this process. There's failure to diagnose. There's delayed diagnose. There are cases of improper surgical techniques. There's failing to monitor. There's sometimes failure to recognize a complication while it's developing even during a procedure and failing to respond to the complication. So there's a whole range of things that comprise the area of medical malpractice, but I think essentially it falls into that category. Sometimes we have to deal with when the malpractice has occurred maybe several years ago, but the patient or the client didn't know about it until a later date. So then we have to deal with the client discovering or reasonably discovering when the malpractice occurred. So there's a range of cases that fall in medical malpractice. We have the track record. There's not a medical malpractice case that's reported in our law books that we are not abreast of. We have the resources to handle those cases, and we have the wherewithal to do it, including knowing the medicine, knowing the client's rights, and knowing what the doctors should have done or what they failed to do.